Topic: Logical Reasoning with Numbers. Chapter: Number and Numeric System. Unit Name Arithmetic Test. Book Journey to JNV, Expert Preparation for JNVST Class VI. In many questions, numbers follow a certain rule or sequence. For example, look at this simple pattern: 2, 4, 6, 8, __, 12. Can you guess the missing number? Yes. It's 10 because the numbers are increasing by 2. We say the pattern follows the rule of +2. Now sometimes, the pattern can be tricky, like 1, 4, 9, 16, __, 36. These are square numbers, 1 superscript 2, 2 superscript 2, 3 superscript 2, so the missing number is 25, which is 5 superscript 2. You must carefully observe what's happening between the numbers. Are we adding, subtracting, multiplying, squaring, or doing a mix? We will solve many such examples together today. 2 basic puzzles involving numbers. Now let's move to number puzzles. These are like small riddles made of numbers. For example, I am a 2-digit number. My tens digit is double my ones digit. If you reverse my digits, the number becomes 36. Who am I? Let's break it down. Say the ones digit is x. Then the tens digit is 2x. So the number is 2x. Kiss smiley, like 2x * 10 plus x is equal to the original number. If we reverse it, it becomes x * 10 plus 2x is equal to 36. We solve step by step and find the answer. These puzzles help you think logically and improve your problem-solving speed. 3 Magic Squares. Introductory. Now let's explore the magical world of magic squares. A magic square is a grid where numbers are placed in such a way that each row, each column, and both diagonals add up to the same number. For example, in a 3 times 3 magic square using numbers 1 to 9, the magic total is always 15. Let's look at a simple 1, 2, 7, 6, 9, 5, 1, 4, 3, 8. Happy learning!